First we will see how a set is created. Let's say I have a list numbers and it has some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 elements of the list. If you see the type of this numbers, it's a list. Now if I pass this list into a set function and again assign it to the same variable, the data type of the numbers will become set. So this is how a set is created. We perform set operation on the list and the output of that set function is a set. Now if I want to perform a union, let's say I have some 1, 2, 3. It's very simple, and I have 5. A is equals to set of A, B is equals to set of B, like this. I have taken two lists, A and B, and these lists I have converted into the set. Now I can perform the intersection or union operations that are standard operations present in set. A comma intersection with B, it's 3, right? Because 3 is common in both the sets. Similarly, we can perform the union operation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 elements are here. Now I can save this again in a variable, and the type of that variable will be set, and the set will be again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to access any particular element of the set, I cannot do that because it is not iteratable. I can only iterate a set, like for I in X, print I. Like this way, in a loop I can access the sets element, but you cannot access the positions because it is an unordered container. Similarly, we have some more operations in set that are used. These are like x dot add to add a new element, clear to clear the set, or clear the whole set, all the elements, copy the set, difference, and you can explore these things in your free time. So this is it in the set. See you in the next video.